So I don't know how I'm going to tackle these. I've just taken out the thin little sticks. And these ones I get from the garden centre. I prefer these ones. Those ones I've just got from B&M, I think it is, or Home Bargains, but these ones are actually from the garden centre. So I'm going to use my string and tie them to these. Right, so this is the first one. I don't know what I'm meant to trim because there's it looks like they're all mingled together. I don't think this is one. I think this might be the one stem because I've been looking it up and you can get ones that have got the stems that go up. So I'm going to treat these as the stems. This centre stem is going to be growing long. No one can help me, but I'm going to literally put the stick in there and tie it to that. I don't want to take too much off just in case. Last year I went mad and I done what everyone said, but where you take everything from the bottom and everything like that, and I had some tomatoes but not loads. I got a feeling I planted too much in here, didn't I? But hey ho, this is how I like it. Right, I've had to revert back to the thinner canes because I couldn't get the other ones in the ground without a hammer, so I'll have to change them another time. But I think I made a boo-boo here because some of these plants, this one seems to be flowering loads, and these are the ones I got from the car boot that didn't have labels on it, just said tomato, so I haven't got a clue what they are. But this one is literally growing like lots of these centre parts coming out everywhere, so I think that's the one that you take all the leaves from and take the branches off that you don't need. I'm too scared to do it, but anyway, the other thing is I should have probably only planted one of the courgettes, but they seem to be growing all right, so I don't want to. Oh, what's that? Oh, that would have been a tomato. Oh, that's a shame. Yeah, I don't want to. I think I've done right by putting all these courgette plants in there, but I'm just wondering whether I can move. There's 3 in there and I have got space at the other side of the garden they can go in. I'm wondering whether to dig one up, or 2 of them up, and plant over that side. Can anyone help? There you go, bucket full more or less, but look how much that's opened it up. And look at can't get over these courgettes. Right, can anyone tell me, what do I need to do? Do I just matter of leaving them, or do I snip off some of these? I know you can pollinate the flowers once they start opening, but there seems to be a lot going on here. I don't know, I might cut a bit of that tomato off actually over there. Oh, it's so tiring, isn't it? I've only cut those bits. Anyway, that looks better. So now I'm going to go on to the strawberries, I think. Good. Before I go on to do the next lot of stuff, I've seen a TikToker that makes feed out of the tomatoes. So what I'm going to do, it does stink apparently, but I'm going to make some feed out of the tomatoes. I'm going to fill this up and then I'm going to tip that back onto the tomatoes in 24 hours. Fill it up a bit more.